heaven buried all its fire, that every constellation drowned in night, as if the universe forgot desire, as if no soul remembered love or light. You'll swear the stars have vanished from the sky, as though cold hands extinguished every flame, to let the earth beneath its sorrow die, until even love forgot its name. Ash keeps falling over silent streets, echoes bloom beneath abandoned stone. Still my heart beat where your shadow meets, knows no darkness, ever walks alone. You think the wind is tearing roofs apart, ripping paper skies and broken glass, yet every storm recites a secret heart. Every breath becomes a whispered mass. It bends around your golden field of hair, like a pilgrim kneeling without shame. Every gust becomes a silent prayer, calling softly only one true name. Will your eyes remember how to see color sleeping underneath the gray? Every window hides eternity, where transparent curtains chase the day. Nothing here was ever born to fade. Every fracture holds another sun. Even winter's pale cathedral shade carries all the colors into one. What survives inside the wide unknown? Who are we in ages left behind? Were those footsteps truly ours alone, or another soul walked close in mine? Someone lingered just beyond our breath, following the bridge we couldn't cross. Love kept arguing with silent death, while the world mistook it all for loss. No, the stars were never gone above. Only wounded hearts forget their light. Every universe remembers love, even through the longing, standless night. Hold my soul before the dawn appears. Choose a flame no darkness can destroy. Freedom rises higher than our fears. Love remains the final human choice. One man believed the heavens had been changed. She disappeared, so every constellation wore her absence. Yet under ancient arches, where the swallows built tomorrow, the same forgotten sky was quietly breathing her name. If the night convinces you it's true, lift your eyes beyond what sorrow shows. Every star is waiting there for you. Love survives, it always knows.